When you dry your walls, they will be plain gray and your floors will be yellow. Use the paint tool to add some personality to your project. Select your wall style and color, then click on the wall you would like to paint. Each unbroken section will be painted the same color and style. There are wall styles for both interiors and exteriors, and the color options are endless. To select a style for your floor, click the Floors button. Select a style and color, then click on the floor. Similar to walls, each unbroken section will match. You can draw a section of floor that has a different style using the Draw Path option. This is useful to add a rug or if you have an open floor plan with different types of flooring in it. For more DreamPlan tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.